Here at Andalusia Animal Adventures, we have a wide variety of macaws. Hello. We have a variety of birds that's in our trees here in the lobby. They'll all talk to you. And all of our birds here are rescues. And of course, this is our girl Peaches. She's been the star of a few videos so far. Yeah. Hey, Peaches. And this is Charlotte and Duke over here on this side.
So what I am going to do is I want to move him so that you might be able to feel his backside. I'll keep his head towards me. I want to move him so that you might be able to feel his backside. I'll keep his head towards me.
Turtle again. To be so slow, that was fast.
Okay, you'll go ahead and clean that all up.
So, all of you can come on over to Andalusia Animal Adventures and talk to all of our birds that we have here. They all love to have visitors.